I'm like Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor. Every now and then I do videos not specifically related to an issue you may have, but maybe possible questions that come into me. So what I'd like to do is share with you a question that came into me, and the question is this. If I owe IRS tax debt and I transfer some of my assets, my house, my car, am I going to get in trouble for transferring that asset? I get that a lot because what happens is you owe the money, and by the time IRS gets to you, it may be a year, 2, 3 later. What can they do to you? Well, what can happen is if you own that asset and transfer that asset, IRS can go after that person who you transferred that asset. A matter of fact, I had a case, I think it was last year. Parents had a really nice muscle car, really nice muscle car, and the person, the husband knew, the dad knew he had this tax debt, and he didn't want IRS going ahead and taking the muscle car. It was a Mustang. It was a beautiful car. Yeah, he put about $45,000 in restoration, no telling what the car was worth. So one of the sons came along and says, "Hey, Dad, why don't you just transfer the car to me and let me just go ahead and sit on the car for a while?" Well, one of the problems with that is there's official Department of Motor Vehicle records. People certainly know about those, so IRS would find out if you've transferred an asset beyond the reach of the government. IRS can still go after that through a transfer reassessment and actually go after that asset as though that son would have been the actual taxpayer. So I just want you to know, if you transfer assets, a home, any asset that has value, yes, IRS will just tag along with you. They'll be in your draft, so to speak, and they can go after that asset. Just want to let you know, if you have an IRS debt, you really need to talk to a professional who knows how to deal with it. Moi. Anyway, thank you so much for listening. Always appreciate a subscription. I can tell you the in stuff. That's really cool. Thank you.